There are two primary sizes of real estate: commercial and residential. So behind me, I have a ladder going from a single family, a duplex, triplex, quadplex, all classified as residential, and then the big line separating the big kahuna: apartment, commercial, 5+ units. So single family, duplex, triplex, quadplex, we're going to assume that these are going to be strictly investment properties. So you're going to have to be putting 20% down, 6.5%, 7% interest rates, 30-year loan. I will note though that the easiest way to get into owning real estate, investing in real estate, I'm going to say is going to be the quadplex with an FHA loan. You're going to be putting 3.5% down. Expect 6.5%, 7% interest rates. The primary issue with that though is that PMI, the primary mortgage insurance, can be devastating. Like mathematically, it could very much eat up all of your revenue. I will note what a lot of people do is they'll do this FHA loan, and once they've built 20% equity into this property, equity ownership, they will refinance so they have that 20% down, and they'll switch over to a conventional loan, and that will cancel out the PMI, so then it starts really generating revenue. Like I said, this is definitely the easiest way to get into generating revenue in real estate. But this is the big kahuna. This is what we're after: 5+ units. Now, this is a whole different beast. You're going to have commercial loans. That's going to require 25, 30% down. It's going to be pretty nasty interest rates. You're going to have 10-year fixed, probably 7 to 9%, then could balloon up depending where you are. So I would say this is going to be the hardest to get into. Decent risk, but definitely the highest reward. And obviously, mathematically, the more units you have, the more setup you get, the more more profit you're going to generate. So this is the ladder. As always, ask questions. Up next, we're going to be breaking down what cash flow is and what it means mathematically.